In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Leonardo AI. Whether you're a new user trying to get acquainted with the platform or someone who has been using it for a while and just wants a refresh, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, making sure you get the most out of your experience. Let's dive right in. To begin, you need to log into your Leonardo AI account. If you haven't created one yet, you'll need to do that first. But since we're focusing on searching today, let's assume you have an account set up. Go ahead and open up Leonardo AI in your browser. You'll see the login page where you'll enter your username and password. It's a simple step, but crucial because it opens up all the possibilities Leonardo AI has in store for you. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now, look for the Library tab, which is typically located on the sidebar to your left. It'll be hard to miss, as it's one of the main options available to you. The library is essentially where all your uploaded contents, such as images and videos, are stored. Think of it as your personal digital archive within the platform. Click on this tab, and we'll move on to the next part of our process. Now that you're in the library section, you'll likely notice a search bar located towards the top of the screen. This is the feature you'll be using to find specific images and videos within your account. If you've been using Leonardo AI for a while, you might have accumulated quite a bit of content, making this search function especially valuable. It's designed to save you time and make things more efficient, ensuring you spend more time on what really matters, analyzing and creating with your content. In the search bar, you can type in keywords or phrases that are associated with the images or videos you're looking for. This might be the title of the content, tags you associated with it, or any metadata that you've previously defined. As you type, Leonardo AI will start processing your query and provide you with the results that match your input. It's quite intuitive, so even if you make a slight typo, it often still understands what you're after, and that's pretty much it. To recap, simply log into your account, navigate to the Library tab, and use the search bar to find whatever images or videos you're looking for. It's straightforward and incredibly useful for managing large amounts of content. If you have any further questions or want to explore other features within Leonardo AI, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.